we are going to be unboxing the official PlayStation DualShock 4 back button attachment. The right side has the PlayStation logo and compatible hardware for DualShock 4 wireless controller. Left side of the box has the PlayStation logo with DualShock 4 back button attachment, DualShock 4 back button attachment with the instruction manual, made in China. Bottom of the box has trademark information on it and the old school Sony Interactive logo. Top of the box says DualShock 4 back button attachment. Back of the box has the PlayStation logo with Elevate Your Competitive Play. 2 programmable back buttons, map up to 16 different functions, OLED screen displays, current button assignments and selected profile, screen button lets you customize button assignments, stereo headset jack connects with your wired headset. For DualShock 4 wireless controller, and it's not included. Okay, let's open this thing up. This is how it came out of the box, and it came out really easy. And the box is very lightweight as well when it's filled. This is what came inside of the box. PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 back button attachment paperwork. And there's the device itself. And it comes out with an important read first for a successful setup. This is the top of the device, and the hole you see on the top is for a wired headset. These are the buttons. This is the back of the device, and as you can see, it plugs into the audio and the other jack. Alright, let's plug this thing onto a controller. This is the device installed on a controller, and the plugs in the device itself, they are on a hinge, so they move up and down. It's a little weird at first, but once you get it down, it's really easy to plug it in. And that's where you would plug in your headset right there in that hole. Alright, let's flip this thing around. This is what the bottom of the controller looks like with the device attached. Very streamlined. And that's it, my brothers and sisters. Google on.